Do you know what time it is? It is Winning Wednesday. Okay, so let me go over this. Last year, what we did, we actually did every month, we would choose a winner for a free home cleaning. So here in 2024, we are continuing that trend. So every month, we will put out posts where you can go to the link, complete a 1 minute survey about who deserves it. It could be yourself, it can be a family member, a friend, a neighbor, whoever you think needs it. So how it works, you complete that survey for that person or yourself. It has just basic information that we need in order to follow up with that person. And then at the end of each month, we will choose a winner. And once we choose that winner, what we do, we will actually contact that person, let them know that they have won. We will then schedule that cleaning. And guess what? You get 2 hours of free cleaning. Nothing to it. No. It's that easy. We're not asking you for anything. We're not asking you to do anything. We're just simply asking you to see who deserves a free cleaning. So every month, once again, every month we'll be doing this. We're giving away a free 2-hour cleaning. It's just that simple. So let me know if you have any questions. You can always DM us. Also, you can contact us via email or our phone as well. We'll have all that information for you. So good luck. Thanks.